Hello, No Bones Jones here. Today we are cooking Stilton and broccoli bake. This was born at a free rotation festival. I was there for 4 days and somebody said to me, oh, can we have something different? So I just thought, right, what can I do? And I dreamt this dish up, and it's been a firm favourite ever since that day. It has been a firm favourite on the menu. So here we go. First of all, pan on the heat, olive oil, maybe a couple of tablespoons. We want to fry the onions. So my onions are diced and they're going in with a nice gentle fry. This will fry for about 8 minutes. On top of that, I want my garlic. I've got 2 cloves of garlic there, and as this comes together now, I'm going to gently let this swish together. The garlic will infuse gently through there, and now I'm going to put my onions on top. I'm going to cover it. I just want it on the gentle heat for about 8 minutes. So far we have got our onions, mushrooms and garlic in the pan. Now I'm going to add my Stilton. I've got 100 grams of Stilton here. I'm going to move that around very quietly. That is, put the lid back on. It's going to sweat down just for a couple of minutes. My Stilton has melted beautifully into my mushrooms and garlic. There are wonderful flavours in this pan. And now I'm going to add 75 mils of cream. I'm going to turn the heat off, and it's gradually going to come together. And at this point I am also going to season it. I've got salt and pepper here. I'm just going to put a bit of seasoning in, and that is your sauce all done. The next step is that I have cooked my potatoes, my new potatoes and my broccoli, and they are together drained. I'm now going to infuse them pour them into my pan and give them a gentle stir. Arrange it so it looks beautiful, and now on top of this is going to go my Stilton and cream sauce. We fold that together. And on top of that, I'm going to add cheddar cheese. Just a good smothering. And now I'm going to pop this under the grill. The next step is to serve it up. I've had it under the grill for about 15 minutes, so it's got a lovely browning. And the beauty of this dish is that you have this lovely Stilton and cream sauce. And this is great served as a main course with salad. I love to eat it with some of the No Bones Jones chili jam, which you'll find in the cookbook. The Stilton and broccoli bake is on page 134 of the No Bones Jones cookbook. And what we're going to do is try a taste test. So come and have a look at that. Oh, it's delicious. The potatoes, the broccoli, it's fantastic. Make sure you get this on your menu.